Question number 17 of exercise 13.2. The question is, in this question we have to choose the correct answer. The probability of obtaining an even prime number on each die when a pair of die is rolled is which of the following option? Okay. So to solve this question, first of all, we assume that let A be the event of getting an even prime number. Okay, when a die is rolled. And it should be noted here, when a die is rolled, we can get any number from 1, 2, 3 up to 6. And the only number which is an even prime number is 2. Okay, so there is only one possibility of getting an even prime number when a die is rolled. Okay, now in this case we could say that we have to calculate the probability of A1 intersection A2. Okay, where A1 intersection A2 can be considered the event of getting even prime number on both dies. Okay, A1 is the event of getting the even prime number on the first die, and A2 is the event of getting an even prime number on the second dies. Okay, so therefore we can write that the probability of A1 intersection A2 is equal to probability of A1 into probability of A2 given A1, and this would be equal to 1 by 6 into 1 by 6. And it should be noted here that probability of A1 would be equal to 1 by 6 because there are total outcomes which are possible are 6. Okay, and only one outcome is favorable, that is the event of obtaining 2. That is a even prime number. And probability of A2 given A1, that is a probability that the second dice also gives an even prime number, given that the first die gives me an even prime number. And this would also be equal to 1 by 6 because A2 and A1 are independent events. Outcomes of A2 are not affected by the outcomes of A1. Okay, so these two events are independent, so probability of A2 given A1 would be equal to probability of A2, and therefore it can be written as equal to 1 by 6. Therefore probability of getting even prime number on both dies would be equal to 1 by 36. Therefore correct option is D. And this question can also be solved by an alternative method. And the alternative method can be considered like this, that the total outcome when a pair of dice is rolled is 36. It is very simple to understand. Okay, and the favorable outcome, that is obtaining even prime number on each die, would be equal to this outcome, that is obtaining 2 on the first die and 2 on the second die. And this set contains only one element, therefore favorable outcomes is equal to 1. Okay, and therefore probability of getting even prime number on both dies is equal to 1 by 36. And we can also solve the question like this. Again, by this method we also get the correct option as equal to D, and which is my required answer. Friends, thanks for watching my video. To watch more of these super videos and for the latest updates, subscribe and like the videos on these channels on YouTube, HSK Shiksha and Math Help by HSK. Thank you.